3 quick tips to help your eyes look bigger. On my right side, you're gonna see a pool of eyeshadow right here. Don't do that. Every single time you come close to the corner of your eye, lift that brush up so it doesn't deposit product over here. It's going to open your eye instead of bring it down and help it look more closed and sagged. This side looks open and lifted. The other thing you want to do is make sure that your brow highlight is just right above your brow, right under your brow rather. If it covers you, if that light brow highlight covers this entire area of your upper lid, it's going to look puffier and it's going to close your eye more because it looks puffier. The third and last thing you want to do is, if you have hooded eyes like I do, where this upper part overlaps my lower lid, you want to make sure that you are creating your own crease and putting your shadow up higher than your natural crease. This is going to do wonders, trust me. Over here on this side, I did not do that, and my eyeshadow just disappears beneath my crease. You can't even see it, therefore we're wasting money. So you want to make sure you do that. That's going to help your eyeshadow actually show and therefore enlarge in your eyes and make them appear bigger, more open. Bonus tip for you, if you want to make them pop even more and open those eyes, do a little bit of lower lash shadow in some fun warm color.